Welcome back to the channel. If you have not yet liked, share, and subscribe, please do it so that it will be helpful for me to do more and more videos like this. If you feel my videos are a bit slow, you can go for a play speed and you can choose for a 2 and 1.5 so that it will be faster also. Okay, you can learn a lot of topics from my videos. Okay, if you go to this my channel, if you go to the channel playlist, you'll be getting 4 different types of playlist: trading topics, zero the features, also hedging options, features and options, hedging strategies also I have discussed, and also a lot of strategies with the sensible paper trading also I have discussed. You can check it out, and also if you wanted to invest in US stock market, that is also available here. You can check it out all these playlist. Let's jump into the topic. Add a fund from your bank account to the Zerodha Demat account. First of all, while creating a Zerodha account, you need to give your bank details. So for the transaction purpose, okay. So those bank details will already be there in your Demat account. Okay, it is already linked. There is only one bank is allowed to link. If you want to change the bank details, then again you need to request a Zerodha platform customer care guys basically. So today we will see how to add and withdraw fund. There is a instant withdraw option is available in Zerodha. Okay, I'll be showing it. Stay tuned till end of the video. Give me a second. So basically, in order to add the fund, you can see it here via UPI. You can add the fund, and to your UPI, you can withdraw the fund itself. Okay, maybe it is Google Pay or Phone Pay. That is fine. It is supporting all the UPI methods. So to add the funds, I will go to funds here. You can see it on funds. In your mobile also there is a fund tab is available on the below side. Okay, you can check the you can switch to fund tab, then click on the add funds. As soon as you click on the add funds button, you'll be redirecting to this pop-up window where Zerodha is asking the required amount you want to add from your bank account to the Zerodha account or Demat account, and you need to give these are the default settings. You can keep it, and as I told, since while creating Zerodha account itself, you are giving your bank details, so it will be automatically listed out here. You can click on this drop down menu if we have one or more than one account is linked, but as per my knowledge there is only one account is required. And here since it again the UPI method also linked, right, you will be giving your mobile number. So that UPI ID also it is automatically coming up here. Okay, it will be listed all these details. Only thing you need to enter the required amount you want to add. Okay, for an example, take I want to add some 50,000 rupees from my SBI account or HDFC account or Access account to this Zerodha account. Then I will be entering it here. Then you can select the payment mode is UPI mode and net banking mode. So you can see again the UPI mode it is free, but for net banking they will be charging 9 rupees plus GST. So better to go with the UPI, right? This way you need to give amount. Then if you continue it, then automatically the fund will be added to your Demat account. Okay, this is about adding fund, but withdraw fund, again I'll be going back. Sorry, yeah, you can see it here. So again you need to go to funds tab, then click on the withdraw window. Okay, as soon as you click on the withdraw tab, then you'll be redirecting to another tab. Okay, I can show it to you. Yeah, you can see there is another tab is opened here. One more time I'll show you. Yeah. Here again for withdrawing fund from your Zerodha account to your bank, whether it may be ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, or any bank. Okay. Whatever the linked bank branch, the bank which the bank details which I have given to that bank account only, your fund will be debited from Zerodha account and credited to your uh, bank account. Okay, so that's what we need to consider. There are two options here. If you want to go for instant, I'll be preferring always the instant, because within a minute I'll be getting my money from Zerodha to my bank account. Okay, for an example, if I give 10,000 rupees, I want to withdraw, then you can just click a continue. It won't ask any OTP or some other details. It will directly withdraw to your bank account. Okay, the amount will be credited to your bank account. So this is very instant method. And one more thing, you can see it here, instant withdrawal is allowed between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, even it is allowed on Saturday, Sundays. You can withdraw the money on Saturday, Sunday as well. You can click on read more details, so you will be getting more details on this instant. So if you want to go for regular method, then it will take 24 to 48 hours to withdraw your money from your Zerodha account to bank account. Okay, this is what about withdrawal fund. If you like the video, share to the maximum people, like, share, and subscribe. And if you want any other information in Zerodha or any other broker, let me know. Comment. You can comment out, so I can try to come up with a solution. Thank you.